Misti, hi. How are you?
I'm good, Bruce. How are you?
Good. Welcome to Breakfast at Bruce's. We love having you here.
Thank you.
So, Misti, listen. Tell me a little about yourself.
Well, my name's Misti Barber. I was born in Indiana. Moved to Arkansas for a little while.
States?
Yes, it is, in the middle of the cornfields. Moved to Florida in the mid-'80s, and I've been here ever since.
Really? Mm-hmm. So, how did you get started in the insurance business?
Well, I just kind of happened upon it. There was a receptionist job opening at an insurance agency. I took it, fell in love with insurance, and this is how I ended up here today.
You fell in love with the policies?
Yeah, believe it or not, I like the little details.
Wow.
I like the intricacy. Yeah, homeowners is my specialty.
You gotta find the gaps.
Yes.
Right, that's important, right?
Absolutely. You got to make sure your client's covered from top to bottom.
Well, let me ask you, can you actually place these people at a good price?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I gotta talk to you after this.
Absolutely.
You gotta tell me what compensation rate I would be at, considering I have a restaurant and a bakery.
Okay, absolutely. I'll take a look at your policy.
You see, Misti, when I take the insurance, I get stuck paying one rate. When in reality, they shouldn't put a server as the same rate as a cook.
Right. What happens is because your industry is the restaurant, there's modifications that they go by. So unfortunately, you get lumped into one class code. There's many class codes under the restaurant business, but you get rated on the highest one.
See, I think that's very unfair. What do you think?
I agree with you. I do agree with you. I'm an insurance agent. I've been doing this a very long time. There's certain things that I do not agree with.
And if I came to you and I told you my workman's comp was the same rate, cook, baker, and waitress, what would you tell me to do?
Well, I would look at the policy. I want to make sure that you are getting class coded accordingly, because workers' comp, it is federal, so it is the standard rate across the board. It's not like you can shop around per se for a better rate.
Okay, so basically,
but you need to make sure you don't have gaps in your coverage.
Okay, I was just going to ask you about that. When you say gaps, tell me exactly, tell me what it means.
You want to. I have a client who is a mechanic in Delray. He came to me, I wrote his policy. He had no business income loss exposure. He had no coverage for his products in his location. He had bare minimum. He didn't know this. So he thought he was buying full coverage when he was buying bare minimum. So I wrote him with full coverage at a great rate, and it was only $1,200 more a year, which makes a huge difference, because when your business is closed down for a certain amount of time, you are losing your business income expense. So you need to make sure you have that coverage, so if the business does close for fire or hurricane, because we are in Florida, you want to make sure that you're still going to make money while the business is closed.
That clarifies it a lot. So you take a special interest to your clients?
Yeah, you're not a number, you're a name. My clients have my cell phone number. They can reach me any day of the week. I do have a family, but I consider my clients also my family.
All right, great. We're looking forward. We're going to go in the kitchen, in the bakery.
All right.
We're going to make the old-fashioned ring ding.
All right.
Now we're going to make my version of the old popular ring dings.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want you to help me. Okay. Help me? Put your finger through here like this and make a hole.
Push my finger in there?
Yeah, make a hole. A little bigger. Okay, great. There you go. Now take your bow knife and fill this hole with buttercream. And don't be afraid.
There's a special way.
Yeah, that's it. You're doing great.
All right. So you love cooking, huh?
Put a little more buttercream. Now you smooth the top out. She's a natural. Look at this girl. What, you want to work for me? Forget the insurance. Okay.
I'll come bake for you part-time.
All right. Now, Misti, this is the fun part.
Okay.
We're going to take the chocolate. You're going to dip it in the chocolate.
Just dip this whole thing in the chocolate?
That's it.
Oh, I love this job.
Keep going.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Let it drip. Gotta let it dip the scoop in the buttercream. Let's see how good you really are. She's good. Nice and level. Just make it level. Okay. I put it on top, and it looks like an ice cream scoop. Look what Misti made. Look at this. Is she not the best?
I am.